Here at Realityworks, we offer hands-on veterinary science training tools that can transform your classroom. To show off a sampling of our products, let's start over here with some large animals. This is our life-size bovine injection simulator. With this simulator, your students can practice ear tagging, growth implant placements. They can also practice common injections. It comes with a foot pump that simulates a pulse for realism. And this injection zone overlay cover helps students identify body landmarks for proper injection placements.
This portable swine breeder is perfect for practicing artificial insemination, farrowing piglets, and even provides a sturdy platform for checking standing heat, all without leaving the classroom.
Now let's take a look at some of our favorite small animal vet science teaching tools. This is our feline vet trainer. It lets students get hands-on practice with mouth-to-snout CPR, catheterization, injections, and more. You can even fill its circulatory system with water for added realism during blood draw practice.
What I love about our canine vet trainer is it provides students with hands-on experience caring for a dog. This trainer's legs naturally move, allowing the dog to be in different positions so your students get realistic practice doing proper restraint holds, venipuncture, bladder palpation, and more.
This is our canine auscultation trainer. My favorite feature is that it gives students hands-on practice auscultating for important heart, lung, and bowel sounds. In fact, the included tablet and app comes pre-programmed with 22 different sounds, including a variety of healthy and unhealthy, to give students experience comparing and contrasting.
Here we have two of our animal ag kits, dog and cat, that include breed ID flashcards and disease trivia cards that help students learn the fundamental concepts on these animals. You even get a variety of posters that include feeding, management, and reproduction.
This is our animal clinic design kit, which allows up to 5 small groups to work together to design, create, and research animal clinics. And they can easily adjust these designs with the included whiteboards, dry erase markers, and movable furniture pieces.
Use these products to teach foundational concepts, practice skills, and most importantly, expose your students to high-demand careers.
Contact us today to learn more about our full line of veterinary science training tools.